girl, just look at me now.
Hi guys. Get away from me. Kiki here, what's up? Yeah, so I'm making I'm making a new video. Let me record this. Ow! Anyway, yeah, I'm making a new video tonight. Yeah. That was my cousin. But yeah, we're doing, instead of a cinnamon challenge, we're doing a flower challenge. I don't think this is a good idea, but whatever.
It was your idea.
I know it was, but yeah. Okay, so we're substituting the cinnamon for flour since we don't have cinnamon. So yeah, here we go. Okay, 60 seconds. One.
Don't move my shit.
Okay. 1, 2.
No, wait.
Okay. 1,
No.
2, 3. I'm bad at you. Find my water. Ew, gross. This will bother you. It's stuck in my throat. Okay, so yeah. That, oh god, that was nasty. That was the flower challenge. It got, you know, we didn't last for 60 seconds.
I don't even think we lasted for 5.
Yeah, I don't even think we lasted for 5. But yeah, that was fun. Yeah, try it out, you know. Leave video comments or comments below saying if you tried it and see how long you can do it. But yeah, see you guys later. Bye.